I'm Merly Ann, I'm 31 years old from San Carlos, Santa Marcela, Apayam. I'm married with one child, 9 years old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate in Bachelor of Science of Hotel and Restaurant Management. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, and playing volleyball. I have experience here in Hong Kong for 1 year and 4 months, and I have served 3 members of the family, including 1 couple and 7 years old child. My duties are preparing and cooking their meals, taking care of the child, do the car wash, do the laundry, do the groceries, and send her and pick her from school. I'd like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs, and I want to have a savings for my daughter's future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.